In today's session, I am going to discuss about nomenclature of alkyne radicals. This is part 3rd. In part 2, we have been discussed about naming of alkene radicals. If you don't watch part 2, you should watch the video. Let's start the naming of alkyne radicals. Similar to alkane, when 1, 2 and 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced from a alkyne, then monovalent, bivalent and trivalent radicals are obtained respectively. Similar to alkanes and alkenes, yl suffix is used for monovalent radical. Ylidine or ylene suffix is used for bivalent radicals, and ylidine suffix is used for trivalent radicals. For example, it is monovalent, it is bivalent and it is trivalent. So, in case of monovalent hydrocarbon radical, yl suffix is used. In case of bivalent, ylidine suffix is used. Here, two carbon atoms are replaced from same carbon atom. So, ylidine suffix is used, and in case of trivalent, ylidine suffix is used. So, it is ethanyl, it is propanylidine and it is propanylidine radical. Simply, we can say that for monovalent radicals, yl suffix is used. For bivalent radicals, ylidine or ylene suffix is used, and for trivalent radicals, ylidine suffix is used. In case of alkane, alkene or alkyne respectively. In IUPAC naming of radicals, always give first number to the free valency carbon atom, and that carbon atom behave like terminating carbon. For example, it is monovalent. For IUPAC naming, numbering of that carbon 1, 2. So, its IUPAC name is 1 methyl ethyl. In second example, for IUPAC naming, its numbering to that carbon 1, 2. So, its IUPAC name is 1,1-dimethyl ethyl. Now, we take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So, welcome again. Question first is the general formula of monovalent radicals of alkyne is, we know that general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Monovalent means one hydrogen atom is replaced from alkyne. So, general formula of monovalent radical of alkyne is CnH2n minus 3. Now, next question second. Ethanyl radicals is, it is bivalent, it is trivalent, it is monovalent. We know that yl suffix is used for monovalent hydrocarbon radicals. So, answer will be option C. Now, next third question. Alkylidine is a monovalent, bivalent, trivalent, both A and B. We know that ylidine suffix is used for trivalent radical. So, answer will be option C, trivalent radical. Next fourth question is IUPAC naming of the hydrocarbon radical is 1,1-dimethyl ethyl, 1-methyl ethyl, option C, 2-methyl propyl, and option D, none of the above. So, answer will be option A, 1,1-dimethyl ethyl. Now next question. How many numbers are given to the free carbon atom in a hydrocarbon radical in IUPAC naming? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D none of the above. So answer will be option A 1. Hopefully guys you have enjoyed the excellent trick of naming. Thanks for watching.